G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I've got a quick bit of news to share with you, and this goes out to all of you on my channel who have been watching the videos I put up about the LG TV remotes. I know it's been a hot topic. A lot of people not too happy with the way the LG's gone, but a lot of people do want to pick up that new 2026 Magic remote that they've released with their latest range of TVs. Now, one of the things that's been very frustrating for people is that you cannot seem to buy that remote anywhere. It's not available for sale on the official store. You can't get it in retailers. It comes with the TVs in the new range, but if you just want to buy the remote, maybe you want a spare, maybe you want to upgrade what you've got for an older LG model, whatever it happens to be, you haven't been able to do that. Now, I've been asking LG for quite a long period of time now to tell me when can customers get the remote, and I've just received an answer. So, what I've been told is that about 5 weeks from when I am doing this video, it will be on sale. That puts it on sale mid to late August. So she wasn't able to give me an exact date, but she was able to confirm directly from LG that you will be able to find the 2026 Magic remote. I think it's called MR26GA or MR26GN are the model numbers, depending on which TV it comes with. You'll be able to buy the 2026 Magic remote from the official LG store by the end of August 2026. So I don't know why it's been delayed. I don't know why it wasn't available back in, I think it was March when the TVs first came out. But I can confirm that that is what LG has just told me. Now you know, and I hope that's answered the question because a lot of you have asked me. All right, I'm Chris Stead. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel and go check out some of that LG content. I've got some comparisons of all the 2026 range up there, obviously the remote as well. And yeah, until next time, I'll check you later.